In this video, I'm going to show you a vocal exercise combo to increase your range safely and build confidence and control in your voice. The exercise goes like this. Hey, I'm Ian, your Aussie vocal coach, and I help singers discover, develop, and master their voice. The key to building your range is to combine support, correct breath pressure, and singing in a range where you are just outside of your comfort zone for a moment. Step 1 is to make sure you are ready to support your voice. This means having good posture, breathing low and wide, and maintaining an expanded rib cage while you sing. Now, if you need to learn more about supporting your voice, watch this video first. Step 2 is to vocalize the notes using a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. This can be a lip trill, a tongue trill, straw phonation, or a sound like v. This creates the correct pressure for your vocal cords to vibrate efficiently. You're also building muscle memory. Step 3 is to sing the note pattern on a vowel or a combination of vowels. For this video, I will use me, a, or, and oo, as it will also double as a great mixed voice and pitch targeting exercise. Me, a, o. Now, the secret to this exercise is to work in a comfortable range and then gradually ascend until you feel the highest note is just slightly out of your comfort zone. Now, if you feel strain, your larynx shoots up, or your tone becomes a shout, you've gone too far. We're aiming for a slight stretch. Now, once you reach your slightly uncomfortable note, don't go any higher. Go back and repeat the exercise to build strength. I'll play 3 rounds of each starting note. First, so you can hear the notes. Second, for you to vocalize your SOVT sound. And third, to sing the vowel pattern. Okay, let's start the exercise in a low range suitable for male voice types. Now, if you're a female singer, I'll add some text on the screen and sing in my head voice to bring you in when the notes enter alto territory. I'll also include the notes on the screen so you can keep track of your range. Here are the notes. Now the SOVT. And the vowels. Me, a, o. Let's step it up. Lip trill. And vowels. Me, a, o. Tongue trill. Me, a, o. Try one by yourself. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Me, a, o. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. One more with me. Lip trill. And vowels. Meow. Over to you. Three, four. 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. Don't push. Keep it relaxed. But also supported. Two, three, four. Now the vowels. Three, four. Bases, don't push. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. Three, four. Three, four. Tenors and high baritones. Three, four. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. Okay, altos. I'll lip trill it with you. Ladies, you're on your own. Two, three, four. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 4. Three, four. Three, four. Two, three, four. Three, four. Now don't push. Now the vowels. Keep it relaxed. Now the vowels. Remember to keep your breathing low. Keep your ribs expanded. Three, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let your voice just float. Effortless singing. Two, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Keep the notes pure. Three, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Now the vowels. This is the last one. This is a top C. Okay, you can do it. Now, if you want a complete daily system to improve tone, sing with more freedom and power, watch this video next.